Lord's Mr. Fix-It here. Well, I did it. I locked my U-bolt onto my bike and I lost my key. I've looked on YouTube and you see a lot of different ways to destroy it to get it open, but I'd rather not destroy it. So if you look on the back of this, there's a pin. I've used my cutter to cut the pin. You could drill it, you could do it with the hacksaw blade. I cut the pin, that's what holds the tumbler into the unit. So that way I could use any key, like my house key here, to unlock it. It will come apart though, like so. It will come apart, so watch out when you put it back together. So there you have it. Use any key for now on to open this lock up. Just don't tell anybody, it's our little secret.